Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. When it's single digit outside, you want to serve something like hot chocolate to your kids when they come back from school. And this perfectly creamy, rich hot chocolate is best with a blanket and a book for you as well. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So I'll be using some white granulated sugar. Then I have some regular cocoa powder. I'll be using some warm water. Then I have some milk, and then I'll be using some whipped cream and marshmallows, and they are completely optional. So first, in a medium-sized saucepan, add sugar, some cocoa powder and water, and mix until sugar and cocoa powder is completely dissolved with the water. Then head toward the stove, cook on medium heat until this mixture comes to a boil. Now stir constantly and boil and cook this mixture for 2 more minutes. Keep stirring and slowly add milk in this boiling cocoa mixture. Now if you want to make it more frothy or foamy, you can use electric beater. I just use my little whisk and whisk it for like a minute or two. Switch off the heat, add vanilla if you want, and then transfer it into your serving cup, and then top it off with whipped cream, some marshmallow, or some chocolate shavings, or whatever toppings you want to do it. It's old-fashioned, it's comforting, it makes the kitchen smell wonderful, and it's good. Please do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out with you guys. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. How's it, Isha?
It's good. Thank you, Mom. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Mom. Alhamdulillah.